Hello to all my friends out there. And so, last month I baked a bunch of cookies and those were good, but I decided that was a lot of work. So this month for the stockpile, I'm going to need cookies to go with my tea. I'm buying $4 packages of cookies for my stockpile. And I bought these at 99 cents only. And these are really good cookies with tea. So, of course I have some mint tea, 1/16 teaspoon mint tea. 1/16 teaspoon cinnamon. I have been making this for months and I mess that up every single time. It's a subconscious block of some sort. Mint tea, cinnamon, honey, and I have my fake lemons back. Why fake lemons? Well, there's a good reason. Fake lemons are easy. And I bought this at the Dollar Tree. So, okay, for cookies for the month, 4 $1 packages of cookies. I don't need to be eating any more cookies than that. And notice I got the 4-ounce size. So these are good cookies and they're perfect for tea. So, okay, for the month, 4 boxes of cookies. And God bless you all.